Man accused of cop's murder facing separate armed robbery charge. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 23-year-old Tremaine Harris, the man accused of murdering 47-year-old police corporal Christopher Simmons during a robbery at a gas station on East Avenue in St. Andrew on Friday, December the 6th, has been charged in relation to another robbery incident in the parish. New charges of robbery with aggravation, wounding with intent, possession of a prohibited weapon, and unauthorized possession of ammunition were laid against him on the eve of New Year's following the emergence of information that reportedly linked him to an October 12, 2024 incident on Cleveland Avenue in Kingston 6. According to detectives, it's alleged that Harris was among 6 persons who held up 2 persons at an apartment complex and robbed them of approximately $2 million. Along with the cash, the robbers allegedly robbed the complainant of a licensed firearm, a watch, bank cards, and identification cards. A court date of Tuesday, January 14 has been set for him to answer to the new charges. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.